What is an appraisal waiver? Hey guys, this is Alex Monaco with Remax InStyle Realty. In this highly competitive market, we're seeing more and more buyers waive their appraisal contingency in the contract. Last week I made a video on what is an appraisal, so you may want to watch that first for a little background on the subject. So basically, there are three ways that buyers are waiving their appraisal. Number one, it's possible the bank will just waive the appraisal for them. So they may say, listen, you have enough down payment, you're strong enough financially, and just looking at this home, it fits our criteria for an appraisal waiver. And the bank says you're going to get the mortgage regardless. Okay, so that's one, that's the best and easiest way. Number two, a lot of buyers are just flat out waiving their contingency. And they're saying, listen, we'll still have to do an appraisal with the bank, but regardless of what the difference in appraised value is, if it happens, we will automatically cover it. Okay, so if they're buying the home for 400 and it appraises at 380, they will automatically have to cover the difference. So it's much less risk to the seller. If you have the cash to do that, it's a good option. It will give you a huge advantage. All right, and then the last way is buyers are waiving the appraisal with a limit. So let's say they're buying the home for $430,000. They may pick a number and say we will automatically cover it as long as it comes in above this number. So if it comes in above 400, so between 400 and 430, we will automatically cover the difference. If it comes in less than 400, well, we can't cover that big a difference, and then it'll all become negotiable, and either side can, renegotiate or walk away. Okay, so you can pick any amount that you want that you're willing to cover. If you know you have that extra cash and you're willing to do so, it will give you a huge advantage. Any questions on this topic or anything else real estate, always DM me. Have a great day.